Do you celebrate your birthday? On which date do you celebrate your birthday? Whom do you invite on your birthday? Do you invite all of your friends on your birthday? What do your parents present you on your birthday? What did your parents present you on your cast birthday? Do you expect any gifts from your friends? Do you cut the cake on your birthday? Do you wear new dress on your birthday? Do you order for cake yourself? What do you do with the cake? How many candles will you blow out this year? How do you decorate the place where celebrate your birthday? Should we accept the gifts? What do you think? People think that it is Western culture. What do you think? Why do you celebrate your birthday? What do you expect from elders on this day? What do you expect from your friends on this day? How do you spend this day? If someone wishes you happy birthday, how do you reply him? Thank you.